I know you love long wear makeup, but guess what? Long wear makeup doesn't love you back and it doesn't love the planet back. Long wear makeup has ingredients that impact our planet, most definitely, almost always in negative ways. Yes, this is true. So you got to make a choice. If you're going to use products that are loaded with naturally derived ingredients like the Cheekbone Beauty brand, then you're going to have to prepare for that. So right now I'm going to talk about eye makeup and eyewear makeup. And so with our Empower eyeliner and our Fearless eyeshadow, you need to set your eye area, the eye area, with a setting powder. Ours and my favorite is the Cheekbone Beauty Mattifying Moon Dust, but any high quality setting powder will work. And you need to set this area because many people have oily eyes or this area of their eye gets slippery from natural oils. Totally fine, but you can set it. Also, huge tip for women, anyone my age, a lot of times we are inundated with these eye creams that are really oily as well. If you're going to wear eye makeup, I suggest not using too much of an eye cream product, too much of a concealer around here. Again, it's going to create oils. And your skin's going to react to the products that you're putting on your skin. And so you have to learn your own skin before you can determine the kind of products you want to use. And if you're on the path to choose products that are based on sustainability and based on health, then you got to think about new ways of doing things. Okay, so we've talked about it. You need to set and you need to lessen the product that you're putting around your eye area, such as eye creams and concealers, before you go into a product. I used very little concealer. I only touch up a tiny little bit. I've set it, and now I'm going in with the eyeliner. And honestly, it's not about how you apply or where you apply. You can do it anywhere. It's about how you're setting it. So your eyeliner has been applied. I have hooded eyes. I do very little eye makeup. That's just me personally. You can do as much as you want. I just like a simple brown, cedar brown line across my lid. But I've set once, I'm going in and I'm setting twice. Now, what this will do is last all day and all night. And if yours isn't working, you can call me personally and I can try to help you through it.